Today we're going to be drawing
Lowercase r from alphabet lore.
That's right, lowercase r from alphabet lore. We are having a ball with these. If you haven't seen them or drawn along with us, please do so. Yeah, check it out. We got a playlist for it, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Landon, all you need is a Sharpie, and I need a Sharpie. We'll grab some paper and get started. You ready to go?
Yeah.
One, two, three. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the eyeball, like we do with pretty much every alphabet lore character. And we're going to put the eyeball, find the middle of the page, and just go slightly to the left. So, and then we want to go a little bit higher than middle, just this way as well. So right in here is where that eye is going to be. And it's a nice big square with rounded corners. Landon, do these have to be perfect?
No.
No, because at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
fun.
Fun, that's right, buddy. Fun. You want to try yours?
Yep.
So I've thrown Landon a little bit of a curveball here. We're drawing the pupil first, and we're going to put the other part of the eye around it. That's a little hack for making it a little easier to get this part right. So now we can both adjust these to what we feel is like a more appropriate square. Mine just needs a little adjusting here. Landon's just needs a little adjusting there. And we fill that thing all in. All right, you ready for the next step?
Yeah.
Cool. The next step is going to be to draw the white part of the eye around this. So it's just, we're mimicking the shape and remembering that these markers bleed. So we're going to give a little bit more space than we think we need to. And we're just going to mimic. I'm going to continue to turn my paper. Good. I like it. Now, we've got our eyes done. So what we do next is we do the top part of the straight leg of the R. And so that's going to come out of the top of his eyeball towards the front, probably like a third of the way from the right side of his eyeball. So it's going to go like this. It's going to come up a bit, and it's going to start to curve, and then it's going to curve a little more, and it's going to go down until you get about that far, and now it curves and goes all the way down in one motion. About that far.
Yep.
We're going to do the underside of this R, this long piece, and we want to make sure it stays the same thickness as the top, right? So mine is about a pen cap. So when I come down here, I'm going to make sure I do about a pen cap. All right? Yours is about a pen cap too, huh? Pretty good. So we're going to round that bottom off. Come over here, keeping in mind that I want to have it be about the same thickness. I'm going to start to go up, and I'm going to stop before I really need to, because I don't want to get too close to where all the mouth stuff is going on. That's the most complicated part of this drawing. So we're going to stop worrying about this part for now. We're going to do the front part of the R, which is like a U, and then we'll do the mouth part. Okay, so we're kind of saving the most complicated thing for last, but it's really a spacing issue, so I want to make sure we get the spacing right here. And this looks like a U with a sort of flat bottom, so it's kind of a wide-ish U, right? I want the end of my U to end up out here. I need some space for the mouth and everything, so I'm going to use this as a guide. All right, and it's going to kind of come up. The bottom's going to kind of flatten out a little bit, and it's going to round down by my finger, right?
Yeah.
Now, is that perfect?
No.
No, it certainly isn't, but it's going to end up being good enough. It's I would have liked to see that it will be a little more of a dome-ish type shape, but we're going to roll with it.
Yeah.
Because at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
fun.
Fun. That's right. It's really good. It's better than mine. And we can, just like I plan on doing with mine, I'm going to try to fix it up a little bit to make my line look a little bit more bowed. I can only make the line so thick, but I like yours better than mine. You have potential to fix yours better than I have to fix mine. But these are both going to be pretty cool. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the actual mouth. Okay, and the actual mouth of R looks like a heart. Okay, so it's a heart on an angle, and it's gonna start here, and it's gonna go right up, and it's gonna do its heart thing, and it's gonna come right back down to here. Okay, so that's what his mouth is gonna look like. Nice, bud. You like it? I like it. Okay, cool. Now this part of the mouth is going to come in almost all the way to the top of that mouth, but it's gonna stop just a little bit short. Perfect. You just bring yours down. Or just bring yours down to there and it should go in, okay? Perfect. Now, there's a little, remember, these guys that make different faces, they have different emotions, their bodies can move and flex a lot. So it's okay if we don't have the same exact guy, right? It's okay if mine's not as curved as yours, right? Yeah, it's all part of the fun too, right? So what comes around the mouth here is what I guess we would consider part of his cheek, okay? And that's gonna go all the way, it's gonna mimic this shape, and it's gonna go all the way up to the top here. It's gonna overlap this part of the R a little bit. Good stuff. Now, we have a couple chin, like skin things happening, skin folds maybe, if you will. The first, yeah, it looks like he has a little bit of a chin thing going on. So the first one's gonna come up like this, and the second one's gonna be right underneath that, and it's gonna go like this. Yeah, you got it. You got, that's it. That's it. You got them both. So
There's just one.
we have just one more detail, right? Or two more details that I see that we're missing. One is a line that goes like this around the eye, just like that. That's a little skin fold. And then one is a tongue. You can see the tongue inside of his mouth. Okay. And there you have our R's. That's fun to say. Our R's. Can you say that for me, Lennon?
Our R's.
Our R's. Our R's. Our R. These are our R's. R. What do we sound like?
Otter.
Well, I was thinking seal, but otters might make that sound too. I don't know.
Yeah, I always get this mixed up.
So we color matched earlier. We got the correct ones pulled out. Maddie helped with that. She's really good at that. All right, buddy, now it's time to thicken and color. You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Are you ready? One, two, three.
R.
These are lowercase r's from...
Alphabet lore.
And did you have a good time, Landon?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a pretty good time. We usually have a good time with these alphabet lore ones, don't we?
Yeah.
How many have we done so far? Not the number of how many we've done, but like, what are we up to?
R. Lowercase R.
And we've done all the other lowercases plus the
Uppercase.
series. So check those out if you haven't seen them. We have a playlist all set up for them. Check those out. Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye.